So how's life treating you?
Well, I tell everybody that being retired is the best job I've ever had. I really am enjoying it. Fortunately, I had a lot of outside activities besides practicing law, and so it was an easier transition for me, I think, than maybe it is for some people. I promised my wife there were two things I would not do. I would not take up golf, and I would not join a senior men's softball league, and I've been true to those promises.
I understand you're a mediator now, and that seems to me like an occupation that would really suit you.
I'm really enjoying it. I think it's like anything else. The more you do it, the better you get at it, and the better you get at it, the more you enjoy it. So I've been mediating for a couple of years. The practice is starting to pick up now, and I really do enjoy it.
I understand you've also set your creativity free and you're painting.
I kept telling myself that when I retired, if I ever retired, I was going to take art lessons. So I did. I used to take them at the Norton Art Gallery when I was a little kid. And so after I retired, I took a drawing class and then a basic oil painting class, and now I'm doing plein air. So me and the instructor and 7 or 8 ladies go out every Friday morning and outside, and we paint away, and it's great.
What would you say from a personal standpoint was the most gratifying case you ever tried?
Without a doubt, the Seth Adams case, which was the young man who was in his early 20s who was shot and killed by a Palm Beach County deputy sheriff on his own property at 11:30 at night. The shooting was totally unjustified. The investigation was shoddy, in the words of the trial judge. There was a complete cover-up by the Sheriff's Department. There was a destruction of evidence by the Sheriff's Department. And we were able to prove that Seth Adams should never, ever have been shot and killed that night. Well, I had the Cohen-Milstein machine behind us. Okay, I could never, ever, ever have handled that case by myself. I had Tatum Whidden, who was a brilliant paralegal. I had Stefan LeClanche try the case with me. We had Dan Downey, who was running over 300 exhibits for us at the push of a button. And I think that's what made it different from a technical standpoint. But from the rest of the other standpoint, it was boots on the ground. It was just hard work. There was a lot of common sense and just staying at the table. Just staying at the table. We knew we were right. The physical evidence said we were right. We just had to prove to the jury that we were right, and we did.
As a seasoned trial lawyer, what advice would you give to a new young lawyer wanting to start a trial practice?
Do unto others. I thought about this a lot. And doggone it, everybody wants to turn every trial into a war. And there are times when you have to be tough with a witness, but you don't have to be tough with the other lawyer. Just be nice, be polite, be considerate. It's all going to work out.